Hi guys, this is Vikas Kashyap and I just want to show you the project that I made in Power BI. You could see the sales dashboard of eBay that I made in Power BI. Just take a look on this dashboard. This is the instruction part, then report view, and this one is the top category dashboard, bottom category, customer analysis dashboard. This one is the report one, the main one. And you could filter all this dashboard by using all of these filter. As Power BI is highly advanced visualization tool, so in Power BI you could filter the entire dashboard by using the charts as well. For example, you want the sales done by Abhi, then you just have to select that. If you want to drill down this data more, then just press Control, hold it, then select other charts categories. Thanks for watching.